Managing money often feels complicated, but it usually comes down to just three numbers. Most people struggle not because they don't earn enough, but because their spending lacks structure. There is a formula used by financial experts that simplifies every paycheck into a clear roadmap for stability. It is called the 50-30-20 rule, and it starts the moment your money hits your bank account. However, to make it work, you first need to understand exactly which income number to use. Many beginners make the mistake of calculating this rule based on their gross salary. The 50-30-20 rule strictly applies to your after-tax income, the actual amount that lands in your pocket. Once you have that final number, you must divide it into three distinct buckets, starting with the largest and most critical one. This first category consumes half your income and covers the expenses you legally cannot ignore. The first 50% is allocated entirely to your needs. These are expenses necessary for survival and employment, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and basic groceries. Crucially, this category also includes your transportation costs and minimum debt payments. If you stop paying these, you lose your home, your job, or your credit score. But distinguishing a need from a want is harder than it looks, which leads us to the most dangerous section of your budget. The next 30% defines your lifestyle and is labeled as wants. This includes dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, and upgraded data plans. Financial friction often happens here because people classify luxury conveniences as necessities. For example, a car is a need, but a luxury lease is a want. Groceries are a need, but restaurant delivery is a want. Allocating 30% here prevents burnout by allowing you to enjoy life, but it must never borrow from the final, most powerful category. The remaining 20% determines your financial future, savings and debt repayment. This money is not for spending today. It is strictly for your emergency fund, retirement accounts, and investments. It is also where you allocate extra payments toward high-interest debt to pay it down faster. While the first 80% keeps your current life running, this final 20% buys your financial freedom. If your numbers do not fit this perfect ratio today, there is a specific way to adjust without overwhelming yourself. You likely cannot switch to this breakdown overnight, so the goal is gradual alignment. Review your last three bank statements and categorize every single transaction into these three buckets. If your needs exceed 50%, you must look at reducing major fixed costs like housing or transportation. If your wants are too high, you have immediate room to cut back and redirect cash to your savings. The 50-30-20 rule is not just about math, it's about behavior modification. Complexity is the enemy of execution, and this rule forces simplicity. Take your last paycheck, calculate the percentages, and see where your money is actually going. Correcting your balance today ensures you have options tomorrow. Thank you for watching Basic Finance.